Sis,
Hmm?
I come here. I can't go red for no area.
Listen, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
Now, it's have a friend we know your area, but nobody go do nothing or you go regret it. Now, true, you're 16. That no mean say you have to go out there and have yourself all over the place. Remember saying I know the place, you know? You say you can go out there, enjoy your birthday and come back. Nobody go out there, go make no man look upon you and they look weird there. Understand me?
Mm-hmm. I understand, yes, sisters.
Yes. So you eat already?
Yeah, let me get some food.
Alright. You can go on. I remember say pool on so me go check out the pool later.
Alright.
Yeah. True na big woman. True you turn 16, I feel like you're a big woman.
Excuse me there.
Hi.
Hi. How your name?
I'm Titi. RT.
You say first me and Sarah so where you come
I'm
from?
family around here. Where you come from?
Oh, so you're the runner.
No, say me. I'm a sister down here, so. I guess also. I'm a sweet 16.
You're 16?
Mm.
Oh, so you have boyfriend then?
No, sir.
A single?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know, so I walk on the road and I see and me no know you say me a top to get for you, but my name is Kayla, by the way.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, and behave yourself on the road.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep it long, but go on.
Mm-hmm.
Come here. You don't have no man, so what have you had a half at...
No, our best friendship.
Come here.
Our best friend.
Oh. You look good. You can't come off. You could have given me the number for sale.
No, sir. Next time.
Alright, later. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Fag one, alright?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Take off your dark hands so I can look in your eye.
Looking at me eye?
Yeah. Take off your dark hands. I feel look handsome.
Oh, thanks.
I first me a see you running the other run, yeah.
Oh, you know, so I want to look a villa up there, so I'm there, I stay though.
Oh, but me like cage.
Yeah.
Oh, so now want some company?
Company.
Yeah, stay there with you, I want some company.
Why you not even know my name? Suppose me a murderer. And you want to stay with me.
No, you can't murder me. Any murder not going on in the bedroom. I mean, no mind. Me already right now. Come on.
Alright, tell her. I give you my number.
Alright, put in.
I give you my number. But me can't murder you today.
Why?
Me just know you. You have to know you.
Oh, alright. Your name again, Davy?
Yeah, so what your name?
My name is Kayla. Nice to meet you. I live around here.
Alright, call me on night time, but me have sitting for a fire, so I have to go there.
Yo, you have some fire in a guest house?
Out of door fire, sweetheart.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
You look good.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kayla.
Go on, babes.
Babes, you look what I'm walking in the area. Everybody want the money. I don't know if it come like money print for me shot or something, but everybody want something. I don't know.
So you give all of them money?
Every one of them. Me can't tell them no.
Why?
Because
Your office says no to some people. You can't say yes to everybody.
Baby, but if me in a position can give them an less fortunate than me, I have to do it.
Me understand. But when you give away your ass, you go shit your ribs. You cannot do that. You have to make sure you save something tomorrow. Rainy day. You can't feast today and famine tomorrow. Me not understand that. And every time I give you money, you come back to me. Me want some more money again. What you do with it? Look how much money me sent to your account the other day.
Baby, thank you so much for the money.
Yeah, thank me.
You know,
if you take so much money off of me and still I come back again.
Baby, I don't like you tell you.
Me not understand
you treat me nice. Me can't ask you a better woman. Me can't ask you for more than what you do. But it's just my kind heart. Me have to tough up and learn how to say no. But I not just one time. Yesterday me say tomorrow me say
hold on,
no.
make we cut off of the money part. We soon go back on it. Stick up in. And me and you there, you and them there?
Me and you there, of course.
Okay. May I ask you one question? Personal question. So if you go out there so and see 10 women and then say, come at me and have sex, and you can then ask you for money, you're going to have sex with them?
No.
For money,
No.
you can get it from me.
No, never.
What you mean never?
Never.
So what you do with the money then when me a give you? Just a give woman so and then I give you
Baby,
nothing?
I'm not woman alone. What? Alright, a while ago me a walk. I'm so a madman. In bell babes and ribs me a see. Me not even
Madman
see.
different.
Babes, me not
Me
even
talk
see
about the
belly.
girl them, eh?
Me not even belly. Me not see. And ribs me a see alone.
So the money we you give him can make him rib stop show
I
up?
don't know. But
So what you try to say? Explain yourself.
babe, me just try to say me need one tougher heart. And me a work on it. But for now,
You
just,
need a tougher heart?
just see with
Then
me.
from you born until now, your heart still soft same way like a baby. No man. Me tired to give you money. So anytime me see you come to me and they complain, so me know where you come, but where you want now? Money don't.
I mean, if you give me now, I say no still.
No, but me never plan to give you no more money for today. I just last night me send some money to your account. Me not understand. So that the money they finish already?
You know, finish baby, but my pocket feel light.
Your pocket feel
Look,
light.
Look, watcha. Flimsy, I key alone me I hear. Me not hear
Jesus
no
Christ.
Ben
Me I
Franklin.
promise to buy you one Ferrari. And so you look like me if you take the money. So take the money out of that the money and buy it?
No man, baby, for money.
No,
are
the
different,
money
man.
when me when put down. Me
Yeah.
if you take the money out of it and buy the Ferrari or take the money out of it and give you. That mean you know bother get the car. Which one?
No man, baby, if I money different, man. No worry about that.
Yeah.
No worry about that. That in a one different bracket.
I set me up for a while because
No.
all your friend them a tell me a road you a tell them say every minute me can give you money as you come here not even have to ask me just fork out money give
Baby,
you.
me not enough friend. If them say that,
No
me and
wonder
them,
why your friend a look me. What is the problem?
baby, if my friend them say that, me not have no friend. I lie them I tell. Me not have no friend. I must because they say you treat me nice and they want to kick my foot.
Anyway, how much money you want? Let me just send you and done because me can't bother.
Baby, 100,000 would have
Give me your phone because me not have the phone. Me left my phone in a room up this upstairs.
or 150 if you can do 100.
150,000.
If you can do 100 or 2.
Jamaican.
Yeah. I pray.
See me.
Thank you, babe.
Listen, you're welcome.
Sis. We reach now, we can't talk to you.
Babe, they can excuse me one
No
minute.
worry
Let me
about
talk
that,
to my
man.
brother.
No worry about that.
Come right here, son. What you say now? What you say?
Why? You want more say? I know because you just come down, but me I tell you what I want. You know, say everything funny ground when me a farm. Dry up. Dry up bad.
Everything where you farm,
Dry down.
so no rain no fall.
No rain, no rain.
So that means the joke did there Jamaica then.
A pure joke.
No rain no fall from when in Jamaica. Oh God, I work as this.
Alright, now me a plan to buy one by 20 tank.
You want 20 tank?
Yeah, 20 tank, some pipings.
So you can get water for water this something them.
Right. So if you
Oh.
can just give me roughly one. Let me 150,000.
No, Papa, let me tell you something now. Yes, when you come on for lending money with you or me know me not get it back. So you better you ask me if me can give you
A
one
while
money.
ago, me I come and just see you. Why you transfer 150,000 to your husband, to your boyfriend?
I'm my husband that, I'm a matter of fact, we not married yet, but I'm my husband to be. But
and your own brother, your own flesh and blood.
me never say me not go give you, me say me not lend you no money because me know you not give me back. All the while me lend you money,
So
you not give me back.
You give me?
Me just give you part of where you just say me can't give you so much money towards much tank. So a year tank, a year.
A chum change here.
Alright.
I know you got it.
Give me your phone and me send it to you. Because me not understand no. Me look like bank to you.
Well, I get a foreign call though. Well, that's it. Oh, in God. Oh, God. Yes, big money. Big money.
Well, it's see there. You send it.
100,000.
So if me get 100, you should have thank God. So you have one sister can give you 100,000.
So
You have 100,000 for yourself? No. I mean just give 100,000 towards it. Thank them so you can get water put in them.
this only can buy two 650 tank.
You're ungrateful, me not tell no lie. You're complain. Suppose me did say me not give you no tal. Cause look how much time me give you. And I first never give you that the amount of money. They may always give you more than that. What is the problem?
My dad.
That me not like we do no. You know, selfish.
All right.
And just
Thank
only
you
for
for
say.
100,000.
And that I did for say for a long time for me
Thank
give you.
God bless you and may
Yeah.
your food basket never empty. But I don't know how to tell you that one ago. You see, your niece, my daughter, you know your precious niece you love so much.
Oh, I'm torn.
She have heart problem.
Who have heart problem?
She have to go do a surgery.
Your daughter have heart problem?
Yeah, and they say $5 million.
So Papa, me just give you 100,000. Something wrong with your niece. Why you never make me give you money towards your daughter?
Because the tank
Problem more than
the tank is more important first. I
the
tell
tank
you,
important more than your daughter heart. We have just said.
because we know you're not going to make my daughter die, but the tank, we want to get it. So
Much money feed. Much money feed.
$5 million for a new heart.
$5 million for one heart.
Yeah,
So the doctor them tell you that?
5 million. We don't go there already, I mean, no, 5 million.
Anyway, me I go give you the money,
Ah,
but me not go give it right now. Me just send 100,000 to you. And that the amount of money there, me have to definitely go in the bank to go do it. Because remember say scamming a go around and me not think them a go allow me to send so much money from my account to yours from the phone.
I understand.
So to my niece and me love her so much, me no want nothing bad to happen to her. I am going to do it.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, you're my favorite sister, you know. But one thing though, me not trust that boy there, you know.
Which boy?
Your man.
Why do?
Me feel, right now, me jealous because guess what? You shouldn't even take him pamphlet, you know.
What you mean? I'm a man and I love him, so I know nothing if I buy one
No,
ticket.
a jigaloo style that.
If I buy me one man one ticket and carry him overseas with me,
You come like, you know, try to use it, but use you.
how use me? You see me do something bad, you see me with no woman or something?
Sis, make it poor. Make it poor right now. You think he not talk to you?
So where you try say, Papa, you tell me say, just because me have one little change make him a talk to me? And that
Yes, because remember, alright, me
But
and
him
me
not
and your
show
brother
me.
and sister when they used to work at Chinese. You ever see me here regular? No, because you don't have it. Me don't want pressure your pocket. But 2 years ago, do you look a contract and your boss way? How big house and them sitting there? Me, you know, I feel look for you now if it help. Because you have it. So me feel like it's the same trend.
But everybody is not the same thing. Well, me understand with me and you know as a brother and sister. And you say me never have it, so you never want whatever. But so me understand. That is more than understandable. But no, me have it. You're my brother. If you need help, I can help you if I can at that time. So don't
Alright.
worry about it.
You see, we'll talk about the money. You see, alright, we're in a holiday, 2 day holiday in a row, so we'll come back 3 days time for the money. So,
Me don't know when me will get the time to go down at the bank because
just take your time, sis.
me did
Just take your
promise my
time.
man something, so me did want carry him go to the place, you know, little Ochi,
What
so
do
me
I-
up the line. Me not talk Ochi rest in a sentence there, you know.
So what are we going to do?
We are good. Me just gonna make him enjoy himself and treat him, make him eat some fish and shrimp and lobster. And
So what
something.
about me?
We just go up and we want to have a
So you
private.
can't carry me and your niece?
We think about it and make it.
I'll
know.
just get we a room with no business about no privacy. But you have to cheat with. We have blood, them are water. You cheat with.
We think about it and make it know.
Right, and you go want look if you can buy more small, I mean I'm pressure your pocket too much, you know. But if you can buy more small car, we don't have a problem. You understand? Like one of them look
They
up
can go on now because we did have one phone call to make and the person did the online and them hang up because me hold a conversation
Remember, you
with you.
know,
Now me have to go get back to the person.
one Eddie wagon. We see one man have one down, so but he only want 4 tire. Me don't know if you have engine
Me
problem.
think about it. Me not sure about that yet.
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Then no Shanda, she says she have heart problem, no sir.
Girl, now you sick with your heart?
Me, sick of my heart?
Yeah.
No, girl. I'm a mother at church, I'm a father. Yes, I get a little money. Sick with heart. Get me sick with heart and I drink right now.
I eat me and say, come here and walk past and me see her drink rum.
No, girl, that's
You think I
scam.
lie down in a bed in a hospital and sick with a heart and want a brand new water. So me here say I want brand new heart.
Scam, we are scam, daddy girl. Scam.
So you get money, so give me your money.
I'm a mother, scam my father, no me.
Oh.
Just a play along. Anything mother say if you do, I eat me and
Well, next time you tell the yard, because you say your father did not see you now. Whether tell your father, say your father did
Me a go run and hide and he couldn't. Daddy now come them way, yeah. Daddy now come a bar.
Girl, for me know your father grummed.
He now come that side of him more for the down so.
Oh, anyways, girl, so we had to put in my area.
Me a want a little vibe.
Well, I go me a walk, girl. We see one nice dark chocolate man.
What?
Me saying that's nice.
You get your number?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Me get your number, girl. Boy, my say my villa change.
Oh, him have car?
Let me see him walking that walk. Let me see him a car, girl, but he look rich. In a dark and in good clothes. So me say, most of money and money, me a look.
So don't I feel like I go?
Yes. So,
you know, go down there and see if I really down there in the girl.
You know, good on the go for the lady?
Yeah. I'm saying we can get our money.
So why you want to go say if you have a get that money? You know your man and my man.
No, you go do it, girl. But I'm saying advice. Yeah,
money can't go feel.
We can walk.
Mama, me talk about go over there go stay.
No, fam.
So you can't make your mother send you money.
You go try. Me I go tell mother some more money.
Where phone you can't call your mother something.
Girl, me left my phone and me
Girl, come beg one call.
Alright.
So you can't go over there go stay. Come. You know, sick no heart. So anytime you want to have a good drink, I'll better come.
Trending lunch, girl. Trending lunch.
Alright, me will come anytime. I can't carry the man come here too.
Yeah, we can make him spend. Yeah, girl. Come.
See why there?
Yeah. That boy look familiar, girl. But we can't recall him.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Me see again.
Yeah, that me I see.
You know, say you would have called for too.
Call up.
Over there we want to go. Put up.
Go over there, go do.
Let us stay with you.
No, you can't stay with me so fast. My mother over there.
So go introduce me to your mother then now?
No. My mother don't like people and he's sick now.
Or do I shall add for you there?
No, he might go through one little thing where me not really want to talk about, but my mother sick now. Me can't carry nobody over there.
So go for darkers.
Me can't always want to take off my darkers.
Me don't know, because I can't see your face over your darkers. See mother me I tell about ya.
Yeah, man, me see
Look on your face good, you know?
You see me?
man, me see.
Which way you see me?
Yes,
Me
sir.
must see you now.
Yes, sir,
Oh. Yeah, but yeah, man, that go on for through me.
You know what? Me will go me. We can link you later.
Alright.
Later me I can link you. Bye-bye.
Alright. No, what kind of handshake, high five.
Alright, bye-bye.
Alright, look come on.
You think me if you ask me if he's single?
Second, come on here. I'm not even.
You think me if you ask me if he's single?
You should have asked him, girl. But wait. Me not. Don't move on mostly, you know.
Alright.
Hello.
Hold on. What? Yes.
Me know you, know, but me act like me not know you. Me know say you there with my auntie, no.
Me there with your auntie?
Yes, my auntie.
Me no auntie.
Hey,
me not there with nobody
if
auntie.
I ever move a muscle, me chat. You have to pay
Which
him to keep
which
my
auntie me
mouth.
there with?
Just know say my auntie there with you. You have to pay him to keep my mouth. If you want month to lock up, you have to pay me.
Musha.
Just give me your half.
Me nah nothing.
You know, no.
Me nah
Alright,
nothing.
next time, you know.
Alright.
Don't make a again.
Alright. Just cool, man.
Oh, you're really good to go say to the man. I look at me, man.
Top of the guy, they know say I sit me set up your money. Come on, it's strong, you know, so in can mind with 2 hour girl. When you get money, we can go bar, go drink something.
Okay, I'm going to buy a little go
Drink him out. Come on.
Sis, wake up now. Girl. Me there now. Alright, come on now.
Come on, man. Yeah,
I never take long. So you
Take long, mama. How? Come on. Come on, man. Call me away from you.
Hey, there's me not take long.
Boy, water look nice.
That's true. Want to see, you know?
What that? Woo!
I'm gonna see the boyfriend, you know, I like a bobby.
Since you want to fast from my business, let me tell you something. I have a little boyfriend. In the run here now. Still. Yeah. You feel a moment pay for this place, yeah?
So who?
I him paper.
He's I want me to get to see him.
Soon. Yes. You may see me later, I don't know you. You must take care of me.
Can't see it. I put on like a wait for our dear.
Yes.
But barely see a suit, such a shame of pregnant.
Here now. Lord God, mama, me not pregnant. But just ask a question. Me not think so.
Oh, you
So what make you call on pregnant for your sister?
me not call it down, but that's why. You know, I can't bother the little thing in me as well, isn't it?
How you would have to turn with the fit when you come?
And you got party and
Yeah.
no.
No, I say
Give
young.
mommy. I give mommy.
Oh. But me not got time to turn with no pitney. So you not put your foot in the water, you nasty.
Lala, so you know, you put touch no water. I'll get some eat first.
You hungry?
Yeah. So come on. Come on.
Baby, me feel like more a red Ferrari.
Red?
Yeah, me feel like red eye color. It would have matched my eyes, you know? Me feel like I'm a red one for buy. That's what me really
I
think.
promise you, say me I go buy it, but me not ready to buy it yet because you know says yesterday as you leave, my brother go come
Yeah.
and I tell me how something about farm and drought and one or something and him vegetable them everything when him plant dead out. So him want buy some tank. I me give him some money. Me transfer some money to him account. Then now he come surprise me. One shock me. I tell me how something wrong with my niece.
All I tell.
Yeah, say something wrong with her heart and me have to transfer some money to him and whatever. So me tell him say me can't transfer it now. Me have to go down my bank and go do that. The amount of money for the heart, me have to definitely go in my bank to go do that.
I will leave my money for
$5 million he say.
$5 million.
Yeah. He said that feet, he said doctor them tell him that. So you see, to my niece, I love my brother, I love my niece.
Right.
Me I go do that the first and then me think about the car for you. But me promise you say me I go get the car for you. But you have to just wait until me sort out my niece first.
Baby, no, not even worry about that. Not even worry about that. Now we talk about the car.
Who is that person calling you over there?
You know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna find out. Give me a second, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we go meet your mother now?
Me, which one, girl? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you have come over here.
What you mean?
Me not tell us if you not come. Oh, yeah, come over here.
You think if you not come here sturdy, I want a new day now?
You can't
No, meet your mother.
You can't meet my mother today. My mother don't want to meet nobody. My mother don't want to meet. My mother not feel well. That's why they pool.
Oh, alright then. Can we go buy me ice cream then? No, I want ice cream. Me can't meet my mother-in-law then.
Sure, me not even tell us me a date. Alright, one go wait. That's me I come.
And there with them, you know.
One go wait. That's me I come. I come.
Alright. Let me wait.
God. Baby, would you believe? Guess who that was?
No.
I don't know. I would love for you to tell me. Who is that person?
My brother child, my niece. He must say my brother have a look a problem, so me have to go run gas off right
Your
now.
brother child?
Yeah, my
So
niece.
why didn't you come and introduce her to
Baby,
me?
that man try to explain me now an emergency, so me have to go run gas solve. So I think I say
You have to leave right now?
right now, baby.
Like
right,
seriously?
right now, as me I talk to you right now, me I waste time. So baby, I'll call you and tell her what's going on, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Be careful.
Yeah man. I love you too. Come on.
I say you have to chat to your mother so long.
So now my mother sick. You think if you just leave my mother alone? Come on,
Mother
come on,
sick.
come on.
I be like, oh, you have fool me.
Come on.
Take time with my body.
Come on.
Take time with me. This is to my virgin. He said, me if you there, I have to meet your mother one day. We can hide, come on, if I'm hiding thing.
I don't know though. I know right now.
I could have win.
I don't know. You know, hear me some mother not feel well. I can't know you.
Okay then, one day. We there?
Nah,
We here say something like I already said about we're not even there. We are clarifying now. We
You-
there or we not there?
You want with it?
Can't foolish question you ask me.
Alright, man.
I look you. We there or we not there? My fuck, me not ask if we there. Me not ask you. Me I tell you say 2 hours we there for after today.
Alright, so tomorrow me there then, after today.
Today me and you there.
But you say after today.
Stop. Me box in your face, boy. I'm tell you say we do. We there.
You say we there after today. So
Oh no, wait about what me say a while ago. We are talking about now the present. The 2 hours we there now. You not here. You ain't get in your head.
Alright, me there then. Me see you man do for me. Me know how you man.
Come on.
You make me here there.
So you can buy ice cream?
Yeah, that what you do.
Okay.
What you do right now. So you don't so still.
Wait there.
You drive, you run to man as if you drive.
Yeah, man, 2 vehicle me have.
What then they know? Come on, come put my
Left foot,
dashboard.
right foot. Come on.
I'm a Frank. Oh, son, not no wrong skills. Go have your high skills. So, where do last night? You dream about me?
Yeah, man.
You dream about me, say lion. If you dream about me.
My dream, so I see you. You know my dream.
Oh, yeah, you miss me when I go home?
Yeah, of course, I miss you. That's why my dream boy. You. If my name is Moon.
You're not no woman.
Woman? No,
Yeah.
sir.
Make sure you say that no woman, you know?
No, sir.
Me want you for myself.
Yeah, man, of course, sweetheart. Of course. No, woman, me not
Because
have.
if you have a woman, me I go have a man.
No bother with that. No bother
So
with
don't
that.
have no woman then.
No bother with that.
Equal. You can't want to have somebody, I mean if you have somebody.
Yeah, for real, no joke about it.
Mhm.
You're all kind of dead today. Well, it's Sunday evening still. Yeah.
Every time you come, you're there pool, you're there pool, you're there pool. So, Mrs.
Come right here, son. Yeah, you can't make no noise at the next door neighbor them.
I saw run.
Yeah.
That's why I like my bushy place, you know, cause in that bush you can shout. Anyway, you know, say, I don't know if you tell us, you know, cause sometimes me feel shame.
What's the problem?
Feel shame for you beg you too, you come from a friend. Me don't like it. Cause sometimes in your mind you go out and say, as you land, you not got no time for yourself.
No, that's okay. Just tell me what you need. What's the problem?
Oh, more and go to supermarket. No buy the tank them, go. No buy them and me appreciate it and me feel like say it's a
So, how much is...
grocery.
Yeah.
Oh, that. Normally, me always buy 1 pound of chicken, but since as you come from foreign, you can buy.
Seriously? 1 pound of chicken?
Yeah, 52 days. We cut in half and share with 2 days. But, like when you can buy 1 bag of chickens.
I don't think you have to buy a bag of chicken. You can just buy maybe 2 or 3.
Three bag?
No, not 3 bag. 3 single chicken, like a whole chicken, you know, the whole thing.
No. You know, listen good. Me say normally me buy 1 bag
1 bag.
and cut it in half.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you want me to do? You want me to buy you 3 bags of chicken now?
You can't
I
use.
could just transfer the money to your account. No problem.
Yes, and the grocery now, you know that the money is different.
No problem, but you got to wait until my man come back.
Not really way about him.
Yeah, because I have to talk to him about everything. Can't just do it like that.
Me I tell you, no, me feel like saying now use your money wisely, you know. You should have built a house before you reach a guest house.
That's okay. It's not expensive.
Huh?
No, it's just $35,000 a night.
Ah!
It's not expensive. That's cheap for what I've been paying overseas, you know?
And we there box food out of hog boat. And you spend 35,000 a night.
It's cheap. That's not expensive.
I wish one day I could say it's cheap. Me poor daughter asked me to buy ice cream and I said that's expensive.
I can buy my niece anything she wanted.
I like that.
Don't worry about it.
I like that. So
But you know you have to get a job though. You need to
the farm.
Yeah, but your farm is not acting the way you want it to act. You told me that drought and everything.
But me buy the tank.
And do you got the receipt for the tanks? Can I see the receipts?
So where did receipt?
Oh, they didn't give you a receipt when you bought them?
Me get receipt, but you have to dash. Me not go hold receipt, sure.
Oh, you throw them away?
Yeah, you can't carry
Okay.
back tank. In a leak.
Okay, no problem. That's okay.
Anyway,
Just want to make sure that you
I'll
get
check
them.
you back later.
Okay, all right. No problem.
But me I beg you, keep a close eye on him. Close eye on him.
Okay.
If nothing, you call me. Anything.
Thank you for your
And watch your
concern.
bag, you know. Appear criminal. You know, watch your bag.
Okay.
Watch your bag. And say anything, no, you know, speak patois. when they come round.
No problem. I
Yeah.
will.
Until you get out, if you fix this, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
I could
Alright.
give them some money to fix that.
No, a matter of fact, me not no chair on me yard.
Oh God.
Me thank God, me see, me some feel some ice cream no.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Wait, me have money.
So when you say you're gonna make me meet the boy,
Eh?
when you're gonna make me meet the boy,
Soon, I don't know.
soon.
Yes.
So you couldn't come and to meet him when we are
No,
going
I
to
don't know.
Alright then.
Yes. I no time for you me money yet. When it's time, you will meet them.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on. So sister, enjoy your birthday so far.
Yeah, me enjoy. Say about mommy.
No.
But now, come, mommy no call me, mommy no text me, me papa me no tab. I usually talk.
Baby, she give you a look face.
But wait, sis,
I know my man that over there, so.
me no know your man. You know your man. So if you see him over there, me take over there to find out if I him.
Baby, I'm gonna check it for my man.
Hi there.
Hello, sir. Come here, there.
Hold on there. Hold on there.
Who that there?
You see, my brother put in this here, and I know my niece.
Oh, I'm feeling any if anyone introduce me.
Baby, he's sick on his heart. Right now, it look like he's not even going to make it. I can't more going to enjoyment date. But I not even want to know, so I know you. I don't know where you think, man. Believe me.
Make sure. Anyways, my sister, me carry up on a little birthday.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. What you
Alright.
will come? I'm sure.
Yeah, later.
Alright, baby.
Sit down. Oh, that girl there.
Baby, I want girl in come and ask me for some silver. I have to say, hey girl, move from here, you're bright. You see me, I'm on the pan date. And I beg me silver. I say, girl,
I'm
you know,
not talk so long.
you have to put her in her place. Look on her.
No, me not look on her. Me look on the girl beside her, cause me know that one there right here, so me see her in the lane.
Oh, me don't know her. Oh, yeah.
TMT.
Me don't know her name. They tell us, look on her, look on her, me there, so.
Me have a look for the girl who make me man get up, go up, let's go chat. And me and her so having our time, and you get to go talk to woman about silver. She couldn't make a silver, so.
My baby, what I feel one way for ask in front of you. But moving on from that, yeah, me I tell us ice cream did mad, man. Nope.
Me I tell her say, your body me want. So me get to the chase. You take too long to give me the body. That me I talk about. You don't want me come over?
Yeah, of course, but me I tell us, yeah, me and my mother, you want me come over for your yard?
No, me want come a villa. Me there my yard every day.
But me not there, me there villa every day.
That's why if I come there, book another room. Don't you have money?
Who tell us that?
Me not know me ask.
Me never tell us that me have money.
Me dey ask if you have money. You know the difference? Me not tell us you have money. Me ask if you have money.
Me have money, but my money tie up right now. Me I spend it on
Anti.
my mother sick. Me I spend it on her
What
medication.
kind of sickness your mother have, so?
You know,
Take
yeah.
off your dark eyes. More look in your eyes.
Girl, every time, so.
Every time I look in your eyes, me fall in love when me look in your eyes. My
Me I
eyes
tell
them
us say, my mother sick. He sick inside. So me have to spend a whole heap of money. The X-ray, body scan, CT scan, cat scan, dog scan, alligator pan.
You see, all of them scan me I talk about, me don't know about them. And not really my business that still. But what me I talk about is that, me they know, and you go lay down some ground rules. Me very jealous.
Me see that.
And me mad.
Me see that too.
You see, next time you don't know when a woman come, me pull you by your head. You hear? I will hold on to this. And how you come slum back, you hear? Me beat you.
You know,
Cause me a mad girl, you know. I mean, if I dash you over this in the water, in the case if it didn't talk me too long, me dash you over this, you know.
Come in and run a joke with me, man. Me and my man can right say you gonna chat to girl. Yeah, idiot. It chat so long. Look pan her too. Look pan her too. You gonna chat to her? You know me and not you know. Right now me yard, me want get no, me want go no. Me get grimy. Me ready.
Watch out, man.
Me
Come
ready
on,
now.
come on,
No.
Come on.
Me know what I want to do. Come, get up, man. You know like them a dirty style, yeah.
Since you know, say, you can the stuff, like a chat, but you know, say, when you feel some that walk, go know a place, must see she, at what my name come from.
So what's your question, Afa?
I don't know, I'm just answer because I don't know how too hard to be sitting.
She's not trying to chat me, I'm not busy about her.
Say, man.
Yeah, my boyfriend, but I did say I must see some needs relevant and she have cancer.
So, she got it. So, I'm care out. So, now somebody else going to care out.
Me ready.
Me too. Come on.
Me so ready.
Come on. Make sure you enjoy the cake.
Can't say me not buy you nothing for your birthday. You have to enjoy it. You must love me. You don't love your sister.
Yeah, me.
Come on.
I can't believe it at a time. But we're going to put that behind us, right?
Yeah, man, have to do that. Have to do that.
So now we're going up, go lie down.
No, I'm going home and you're going home also. You just have to follow me. You have to go rub my mother foot them now. And my mother sick, as me I tell her. And even when I come over there, me I tell her, say, you cannot come over there. You remember, so that is the reason why I go buy you the ice cream. You don't remember? You don't remember in your head?
You know me remember? But me think it's hard to see one hard, strong, healthy woman sitting on the poolside. Talking to you. You even telling her, I love you. And, hello. You say last time I have one man. And trick me and tell me say that girl then cousin and never cousin, you know. Not trick me and tell me say your mother, and not your mother, you know.
Girl, move from yourself. I'm for doing my mother. You idiot.
Me never say that.
Go on home.
Hello, I saw me leave, remember. You damn puppy show. And wait for me.
I'm for doing my mother.
Me not say that with your mother. Me not say that. Me a say, don't tell me say your mother and it's not your mother. That me a chat about. Cause man a liar and wicked. And go ahead, them a saint, you know. No saint, you know.
One and a saint.
Yo.
Girl, 3 times I baptized. One a saint.
That not nothing to do with me when you tell you lie them.
Me not tell
the
right.
relationship just start away for the argue. We gonna put that behind you too.
Are you
and your mother. But me I say something cause that's how they trick me one time.
What?
Hello, Mama. The boy when me see a ice cream shop with you yesterday, Iowa.
So why you question me now?
What mean? I'm just ask you one question.
Let me ask you a question. The boy will come beg the silver the ice cream shop, Iowa.
What mean? No. Me no beg him no silver.
Well, we worry about if you man or not, we worry about it for. What a problem? I see next time you see me sit down and eat ice cream and somebody, do not come and interrupt me.
Why?
You don't have no manners. You can interrupt boy beg by silver.
You see me beg him no silver. You didn't take your hand see me.
A wine step.
You didn't take your hand see me.
Me didn't focus on you.
Silver.
Me didn't focus on you. Me a eat.
Alright, no.
But when you come call him.
Yeah.
And where you do over here? You live over here?
Yes.
So you...
My man one is.
Your man own over here, so?
Yes.
So what about one other man for when your man own this one?
My man about it nice. Let's talking. Bye. Have a great day.
So girl, tell her why my girl love greedy, you know.
Yes, my sister. I tell you. So,
Let me call you back.
let's talk about business though, because my daughter and his mother they on my case. Then they on my case.
What are you talking about?
The $5 million for your heart surgery, man.
Oh, the money.
Yes.
Oh, that I promised you for my niece. Okay. Remember I told you what I have to get done before I can send that money to you.
So I'll get it tomorrow.
I'm not sure because I have something else to sort out. So as soon as I get it done, I'll go straight to the bank and then I'll just send it to your account.
Every minute the mother they on my case. You get the money, you get the money, you get the money, you get the money.
She know that I'm gonna do it. All
Yeah,
she
she
have to
know.
do just wait a little bit more.
Believe in you. So where peace a man there?
Oh, just give him some money to do some adventurous stuff.
I'm there, I would have walked for adventure, you know, long me like garden or farm and I'm never explore nothing. More than joke. That's the only thing I explore, nothing, not to look water. Thank you for the two tank them, but you're not to say,
But one day we both can go with our niece, if you don't mind, but we can't do it right now.
oh God. So, you're not in the US.
Not on me right now. I think it's in my room, but I'm a bit busy. I'm just waiting on the waitress to come over here to serve me some juice.
Yeah.
Tasty.
Jesus is Lord. And when me there yard, me have to get up myself go mix it. I sugar water never can come.
No, are you crazy? I'm in Jamaica.
You know, just, we drink
No, it's Purple Rain they're gonna give to me.
Purple who?
Purple Rain and Sex on the Beach. Haven't you ever drink that before?
Drink Sex on the Beach?
Sex on the Beach. It's a
Why would I want to drink a nasty in there? What?
No, you don't understand. It's nice. You can try it. Purple Rain,
Mm.
Sex on the Beach, Bob Marley.
Me if it drinks sex.
No, you're thinking the wrong way now. I'm not on about that. I'm talking about the juice that they blend up and put stuff together. It tastes real nice. You can try it.
Oh. You mean blended fruit punch?
No, blended fruit. All right. Blended fruit punch is totally different from Sex on the Beach. And it's totally different from Bob Marley, Purple Rain, Pina Colada. You know, like.
No, me no pina colada. This song is it's like a pina colada.
Banana daiquiri, strawberry daiquiri. You know those kind of juice you have to.
Banana
You know
daiquiri
what?
from your
I'm
farm,
gonna-
but
listen.
from your farm banana. I first never hear that name. Banana daiquiri.
Yeah.
So banana didn't name daiquiri?
You don't understand. I'm gonna take you to the hotel and make you have some nice juice. Sometimes you can have some nice food. You choose what you like.
Me love me sugar and water. Me never blend you fool me. Too much chemical no good.
But I used to drink that too, but I'm tired of that. But I can take you out so you can have some nice, cool sex on the beach.
Oh, you
very
pay
nice.
the woman them and me get the sex from the beach.
No, it's not like that. It's a different thing. I'm on about juice. You're not listening to me.
Oh. The last time we go up on the beach, you know, my sister, and you go on the bartender, I say to the bartender, what kind of juice you have start with C? Because a man said, if you ask that, and say cocktail, me say, me run.
Why?
What made the cocktail?
It's nice. You can have it.
What made doing, man? Cocktail!
It's a juice. It's very nice.
So why me would I want something in cocktail?
No, you can try it. It's juice.
You better than call it.
Because you don't understand and you never have that experience before by having certain type of different juice.
I never,
Or smoothie.
from me know myself, the only place I go to is the beach where you're swimming and come back and you come mix with sugar and water. Sometimes you can bread and bully beef. You remember them days with ice and syrup? Right.
I still eat corned beef in sandwich. It's very nice. You can do it with your meal.
Me can't afford it though.
I could take some for you when I'm coming down back.
Jesus, I know you're talking. And that's it. You're my blood. Much, man.
It's not expensive over there, you know. Only in Jamaica I see so many expensive stuff. I don't know why
I'm
they're
going
doing
to
this to all
say,
these people.
dear. A 2 pound of chicken that, you know. 1 bully beef, 2 pound of chicken that, you know.
Did you take your phone with you?
Nah, I got to them goose cook.
I could send you 200,000 now.
To who?
200,000 Jamaican, but I'm still gonna give you the 5 million.
Ah, boy. Oh,
I could
God.
just transfer it straight to your account right
Oh,
now. Just give me
God.
your phone and I can do it.
No, I'm going to have the phone, man. Use your phone.
My phone is on charge in my room.
Now move. 200 who?
200,000 Jamaican, that's nothing.
Huh?
That's nothing. $1 is $1 in our country.
A dollar is nothing here. A dollar is a dollar in your country. A dollar is nothing here.
So what are you telling me? That your money doesn't value anything here?
Sister come like you never buy. You're going like you never buy there. $1 can buy not one bubble gum. Not even a Whistler. Remember, say $1 could have buy a Whistler, can't buy it again. $5 for one Whistler.
I was born here, but I grew up in the state. You remember that?
Yeah, that's why your father should have carry me. But through me and a film, you know, carry me.
Because remember, don't get it twisted. You know that when they do the DNA, you was, jacket,
No, man,
the
he could
DNA
have-
was
he-
wrong.
he
He's
could have-
not your daddy.
He could have bribed them.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna look about your papers to see if I can get you over.
Oh, that God. I salute you, sis. I salute you.
You know I love you as my brother from long time.
I
I'm
salute
gonna
you.
always take good care of you. Anything you need, just tell me. I'll just let you get it.
I want to say, watch that boy there. Now. Just
You're
watch
talking
him.
about my man.
Yeah,
Why?
watch.
All the time you're just constantly talking about him. Don't you like him?
I was once a gigolo. I was once a con man. And I know what is a gigolo.
What's a gigolo? What do you mean? You're talking about gigolo? What's that? Does that mean that he have a lot of nice stuff and things like that?
No.
What's that?
A gigolo mean you look woman for them things. You pimp them out. You know, date only one woman and a pure rich woman. You come and you take me. A gigolo will come and take your money and take you give next woman.
Well,
Some gigolo will take your money and drink out and turn cruff after a while. Some of them walk on road and mad out.
well, I don't think he's like that.
All
He's not
right.
that type of person. We both been together for a while, and I think I know him very well.
Remember I said me they warn you, you know. I warn you.
I
You
think you don't like him though.
from
He's your brother-in-law. Why can't you just show some love?
brother-in-law.
Yeah, he's your brother-in-law.
Until the day him buy me a car, he can call me
Oh,
brother-in-law.
so that's the reason why you don't like him. I can get you a car.
All right. He's my brother-in-law, my one and only brother-in-law. One and only brother-in-law. Yeah, man, no problem. What kind of car?
I don't know what kind of car you need. You just need to go around to the car marts and look and choose which one you need, and then you tell me.
All
I'll
right.
get it for you.
You see, to me a farm, in the farm, and me no want pressure you. Nobody buy me a car, just buy me a van. So we can drive around and sell the vegetable them.
Okay, just figure out the price and let me know, and then whatever.
No, you are. Just get me a van. Where we can drive and sell my goods them.
Okay, so just go to the car mart and let it tell you the price, and then you get back to me.
When I F-150, the 2026 them, the new one when they come out. Electric start and gas.
Okay.
So when we there, we
So
can
don't you have to license and insure it, or you just drive car for free in Jamaica? You don't have to do that.
sis, in a them time of life, yeah, you know, worry about no license, nothing. Me just buy it. I'm have to do a borrow two of my friend them plate and put it on it. And go and rug a teeth for people stickers off of them car put
Oh
on
my
it.
God, this is unserious. Like seriously?
Yeah man, I can bribe the
You
police
have to
them.
license and insure cars in Jamaica?
Listen how this run. You see, you don't have to really license it, you know. You just drive it. When them boy they tap your car, so we call them, you know, them boy
Who
they
are you
call
talking about?
the police them. That's how we call them out here. Them boy here.
Okay.
You see when they in the run car now, we are signal the one and I said, them boy they run so. Yeah. So if we go around there, them ever hungry. Ever hungry. Jamaican police them, licky. When them tap you just
Aren't you scared talking about the police like that?
listen me. Them boy there no. You see once them tap you, you know, sis. You just give them a $5 have them that lunch. And just squeeze it. Just take time squeeze it so give them. That's what they like, you know. They like when they squeeze out the money in their
So you don't
pocket.
think they could charge you for bribing or something like that?
No man, they have a style like this.
That's bribing.
No, they have a style like this. So when they tap you, they ask you left or right. So if I'm near you, I say left. Don't say right. Can you write your ticket?
So in Jamaica, which one of the side you guys drive on? We drove on the right hand side in the state.
No, we drive on the left because we are left-handed. We full.
Oh.
We backward.
Why are you saying that?
No, we backward because the government put you in a cage.
Somebody's calling me. You can excuse me, please, and let me talk to somebody. I need to talk to someone.
All right. Anything you say, no?
Have a nice day, bro.
May I check my phone and go? Let me see to you're lying, you know?
No, this is my man's phone. I can't do it, and he's gonna see the amount of money that I sent to you.
All right. Anything you say? Anything you say?
Somebody's calling me.
I'll check it later, yeah?
Okay.
Tomorrow.
My heart hurt me. Oh Lord Jesus Christ.
Well, your heart up here the same way?
Yeah.
Boy, I don't know that. It took me a while to get the money from my sister. But tell your mother, so we say, if you make sure that one of the Chinese art they been putting in you, make sure it is a good, firm, brand new heart.
Oh, she gonna know that.
No, second hand one. Oh, because we notice up here, second hand, we don't buy 5 million she asks. We don't ask her, 5 million we get.
No man, this heavy. Jesus.
That's the power of money.
Okay, bye.
So me not think I hope you should have go. Alright.
No.
Eh?
Oh yeah. That's it. Bye, daddy.
Yeah man, bye. Take care, spend it well.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Oh Lord, thank you God me get it. Oh yeah, run go girl. Girl, me get the money from daddy.
Yeah, tell.
Girl, feel about every 5 million I could never believe.
So give me 1 minute if you no chat now.
Me can't get 1 million, girl. Remember, I have money, you know, me can pinch piece. Me can get one look 100,000.
Alright, that not bad still, so me get it. That not bad, I can't believe so no really trick the man and get through.
Yeah, girl.
Oh,
My friend probably
God.
so.
Only God know, girl.
Weird.
What happened?
But how money this?
Hold off your money. Now your father get, I say I give 5 minutes.
No.
Oh, give me money.
My backside. Hey, we are trying to trick daddy and daddy trick we instead to
No, girl.
backside.
I'm not tricking trick you. This is a trick.
Where
This is
color
big
are you?
time idiot. Me all peas. Me bumbo. I feel me backside.
Can't believe you really do me this.
But you and your might a piece of clown. You not chicken up on a pattern and chicken no. No, sir.
Yeah, me
I never
No.
see this.
Then when time mommy see this, mommy not go cuss, girl.
He's a piece of fool. Yeah, your mother will lie. That I'm waste my time and life. You know, wait for him the 5 million so me I get a 1 million out of it.
I mean, I put my mind panic, girl. When what's there? Sugar and peas.
What a good thing your heart never sick and dead.
Dead.
Your pa wicked bad. Why in there?
Me left him gone, so girl.
Me I go so cause I saw the money then I so you go on, yeah, you go on.
yeah.
Yeah. Waste my time.
No, sir.
I see you. After your car girl gone an ice cream shop yesterday, you never and you have me up at the house in the room lock up for hours and your car girl gone buy ice cream. Eh? What kind of style that?
Oh, me not tell her say I'm my niece. I tell her say I'm my brother
I
child.
know your niece.
I'm over then.
Me di come beg a silver.
What kind of beg silver?
You tell the girls say me beg a silver. Me di beg a silver.
Baby, home for tell the girls say I beg my silver.
Stop telling me
Baby,
lie.
me don't walk with silver. I walk with US and pounds. You for beg my silver. Baby, if you come and beg my silver, I run away. You can't beg me no
So
silver.
why you tell the girls say me
Baby,
beg a silver?
why you feel like me tell girls I beg your
Because me
silver?
attack her.
Who?
The girl.
Why?
The long tall maga girl.
My niece.
I know your niece.
I'm over.
Me don't know your what. Look at the harlot. Who she a call harlot, babes?
Where you do over here?
Baby, we are coming here over. I'm afraid to when you me come to.
You tell us if you not come over here.
L.O. You're over here, so me go come over here.
Me tell us if you not come over here.
Me not listen when man talk to me. Go over. Niece, I deal with us up.
Can I baby? Baby, just
Kyle, we'll win this together.
ignore him.
Alright, babe.
So where you come over here and I'm going bad for? Me tell us if you not come over here, post my mother can't see
Who
you.
that?
Post my mother can't see you. What you do over here?
You must see your mother sick. Your mother not gonna realize me there.
Come.
Me not left.
Come. My mother no want to see you over here.
Make sure you go too.
Come no man. Come
No man.
in no man.
You have your man that own all of this and you still want my man? You have your man that own everything, yes sir.
Hey, remember
I
say
still want my man.
one man, you know.
What more than one man, girl? What man me have?
Come no man.
What?
Come no man. Stop.
Where you go? So you not tell she if you move? Yes, the mother-in-law.
Hey, babe. What's up?
What
Who
baby?
this here?
Hi.
I'm there at 2 straight time. I come and beg me son Silver.
Why you have no rub up on me mother-in-law so? Mother-in-law. See the girl here who want to take me man.
Me want to take your man and you want to take my man.
No girl, I'm my man.
Girl, it's my man. This is my man.
I said, girl, talk about. Girl, is it about my man? no?
Excuse me now.
Girl, he's the papa of my man.
Girls, what's wrong with you people? You see me there with my wife. You know, no manners.
What? Your wife?
What? So you put the wife over me?
Baby. Who are these
But
people?
yeah,
Baby,
yeah.
go call security.
Yeah,
man.
go wife.
Just tell me what's going on
Me
right
don't want
here.
no wife.
Stop the fighting.
Me
You guys
woman.
don't need to fight. What's going on here?
No, man. I'm my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
As me, I said, no, my mother-in-law.
What's your name?
I'm Riri.
Your name is Riri. Where are you from?
I come from the ghetto.
Ghetto. Okay.
So sit down, come with me.
You want me to sit beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay.
So you say, are your son?
My son.
Yeah, are your son?
Who dare you to speak to me like that?
Yeah, me, my mom, I speak to you.
That's my man.
Eh? And me man that there.
Girl, I'm stop coming over and tell her, baby, call security. Find them, no, baby. Baby, call security, no.
Call security for your liar self.
Baby,
Where you take this thing for?
baby, call security.
Why are
Find
you
them.
talking like that?
Eh,
Baby, look on it and two
Oh,
butter
you
food.
This is my man.
Oh,
Yeah.
you say your mother sick.
Baby.
And she
Eh,
attack.
Oh, you say, mother.
She
Talk to
sick.
me now.
Oh, she
Baby.
attack. Nothing to
Baby,
her.
look on it too.
How you
Butter
say
food,
this?
girl. Why they over with
Me a
this
butter
sauce?
foot, girl.
Why not, baby? Come on.
But then I did up in the bed in up there so with me, I never know say me a butter foot.
Yeah, man. She too. Baby, she too.
Who dare you? Who dare you to speak to my man like that? Who dare you?
Yeah, baby.
Jesus Christ.
Get away, liar.
You need to get your hands off me. I don't understand what's going on right here. You're not telling me the truth.
Baby, what you mean?
What is going on?
Baby,
She owned you. She just talked right in front of your eyes that she is your woman.
Baby, me don't own her. Baby, me not own her, baby.
You're a nice girl. You know I like you.
I like you too. I'm my brother.
Oh, he's your brother. From another mother that I don't know.
Yeah, you ever know say I'm a mouth that slip all along.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. You know sometimes we do make mistakes.
Huh?
We
yes.
do make mistakes.
We do make mistake, but mistake man go
Yeah,
on
we
the way
does.
now.
We does. Yeah.
Oh God.
Baby, as me I tell her, baby,
So,
that girl there, I mean, no.
What's going on right here? Can
Baby.
you just speak the truth
Baby,
for one
baby,
time in
baby.
your life?
We-
God, baby, God
You
has
put
my...
her hurt me.
Shh, let me talk to my wife. Baby, God as my witness. I don't know that girl. She come over here and I beg me some money. And
I know you're talking the truth.
Baby. You
It's your
remember you
brother?
tell me if you said no.
What? Is he related to you?
Yes, I'm a brother.
He related to you?
Yes.
Oh
I'm a
my
brother.
God.
Baby,
This guy related to you.
Yes, I'm a brother.
remember how you said me need to start saying no. I know me, I tell
I
her
need to
that's
ask the question again. This girl related to you.
Yes,
She's
baby.
your sister.
Yes.
Oh my God. So why didn't you tell me that from the long time when we just met?
Baby, sister love beg. I try keep her.
Me love beg
That
for
long
true.
time when we just met?
Baby,
Yes.
You should have told me.
Baby, I'm
Me love beg, me beg a lot.
Baby, I'm only
Always
two of them
begging,
come and
okay?
beg and
Yes.
I tell her,
I
I
know
tell
you
them
always
no.
begging.
I tell them no.
But I like this one.
Yes.
She's a nice girl.
Boy.
But you're pissing me off. You think I'm stupid? You take me for an idiot? Like seriously?
Baby, with what?
Who dare you to keep a woman with me? Not even one, but two?
Baby, me don't know.
So all my money that I gave to you, oh my God, my brother was talking the truth.
Baby, I don't know them.
Who dare you to come and take my money and use it on another woman?
Baby, me not, look on
Who
them.
the heck you think you
Baby,
are?
Nobody not take care of them. How am I use money from them? Baby,
Oh,
come now.
shit. Listen,
No bother with it.
all this time,
Go just go in our
you
room.
play with my mind.
No,
Really?
no.
So I love somebody that doesn't love me.
Baby, me love
I
you.
spend all my life saving on you. I was even planning to buy you a car. Like, seriously?
Baby, no bother with that, man. We
Who
still can't.
dare you to come and speak to me like this?
Babes, you know,
And act up in my life like
Me
this?
see two girl for the speed.
Telling me lies.
Speed out as a wet. A ball.
Hey, bro, you know that everything you told me about this guy that I
Gigolo.
fell in love with,
Who's
he's
gigolo?
a gigolo. You told me that.
baby, who tell you that word there?
He told me about gigolo.
Baby, I him a jiggle. You know what jiggle mean?
Yes, he told me that when you have more than one woman, you is a gigolo.
I was once. But
Like, seriously, you done this to me, right?
Baby, I
them
know
two
so it
sexy
go.
chicks
How you
over
come
there.
and tell me now she's
I
your
don't even-
sister and she's the niece and she's the cousin?
I went to.
Who am I to you?
I went to.
Baby, I'm a wife.
I'm a stranger.
Yeah, I'm
When
one
do-
and only.
No, I'm
When
not
do-
your
when
one
do-
and only
when
because
do-
you have too many.
Went to.
But brother, come on, boy. Your
Those
business,
two
no, man.
girls that you saw running by,
Them two hot chick there.
I just come and catch him right here with them.
I never see smoke without fire. I tell you see it?
He
Young-
spent all my money on those two
Exactly.
and
Young,
maybe more.
young and sexy.
You really
Yeah.
done this to me.
Swim as they
Baby, I
can
know
live
so
up
you
the
go.
two chang film.
Can you explain yourself? You don't have nothing good to tell me right
Yeah, I know
now.
so it go. I know some make some mistakes.
Are you telling me that's not the way?
Just listen to
Oh,
me. Just
shit.
listen to me now.
Alright, you me, I'm good news. Me not busy today. Come tell us say, I'm a jiggle long time. You see the $5 million we give me for my daughter surgery? Me realize it's a scam. So me use it by the van. So nobody buy me no van, my sister. Me use it by it. I give my daughter tangers in the bank. We go catch her. Cause
So,
Baby,
bro,
see scammer,
are
you
you
know.
telling me that?
Baby, this is scammer, you know.
Oh,
How
shit.
this him? How
That
this
It's a
is
him?
scam?
no.
Take your filthy hand off me. Don't you dare touch me.
You see what
I don't want you in my life anymore.
Let me-
You're a liar and you're a cheater. You're a womanizer. You know what?
Jigga.
I felt like just chucking you over the pool, you know?
No, you
Just
know-
leave me alone.
You know what? It's-
Leave me damn alone. I don't want you back in my life. You're so stupid.
Oh, you can't put in a word for me, man.
Whoa, me? And you know, love one get rid of you to my sister life.
Oh, you can't want to get rid of me.
The Ferrari way do you get? Boom, boom, boom. I mean that.
Father God.